Hey, what's up guys? It's Andy here. I just wanted to make this tutorial to teach people that have never done it before how to boil water. So we got our water right here. We have 2 glasses. I'm guessing that's around 1.6 liters of water. Then we have our pot for water, boiling water. Our non-stick coating is starting to come off a little bit. That won't matter. The water shouldn't stick. So we're just going to start out here by taking our water and we're going to put it in. And you can boil water for all sorts of things. Noodles. I like noodles. And we're going to take that and we're just going to turn that to high. Make sure it's on high. And make sure that it's on the burner that you're trying to boil water on. It's a very important part. So now we're just going to wait a second. It shouldn't take very long to start boiling water. Yeah. So usually we would use movie magic to try to fast forward to where this water's already boiling. You can see it's already steaming. So at this point you're just going to want to be patient. Patience is key. And don't worry if your water takes a long time to boil, because you might just need to wait longer. It's really starting to steam now. So we're coming back because our water. Oh!